Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox with another wonderful, easy detox tea for you today. Now, these are wonderful fat-burning detox teas that's going to help you to lose that weight really fast, okay? Now, we're working with some really strong, powerful ingredients today. And what you're going to need for this recipe is you're going to need a pan, all right, which is already on the flame. You're going to also need 1 liter of water, okay? So while the pot is on, I'm just going to pour this in real quick so we can start this process off really fast. All right. Now, you're also going to need a strainer. Of course, you're going to need this wonderful, powerful seed that you can blend and you can drink, you can mix every day in your tea. Okay, and that's the cumin seed. All right, this is powerful. You need to have this in your cabinets, okay, because this is what's going to work for you. It's easy to make in the mornings. It's just like making regular tea. All right, so you're going to need cumin seeds. So I would suggest you buy some of this. Buy some of this and keep it in your cabinet. All right, you're also going to need a whole lemon. Okay, so what we're going to do now is, while our pot is on the stove, we're going to take 2 teaspoons of our cumin seeds and we're going to pop that in the water. Put that in your water and boil it. Now, while that is boiling, what we're going to do is we're going to slice our lemons, okay? Because we want the powerful potency of the lemons for this drink. So you're going to slice it up nice and thin. Matter of fact, you know what? I saw something even better. Before slicing it up, just juice it, okay? Squirt that juice in that water. Oh yeah. Get all that juice out of that lemon. So we're going to finish squeezing the juices into our water. Okay? Now we're going to finish slicing our lemons into small, thin slices. Okay? Okay, because we need the skin. Alright, next we're just going to put that into our water and we're going to boil that together with the cumin seed. And we're going to have that boil for at least 10 minutes. So, in the meantime, get your cup out because we're going to need our cup for the next step. Alright, so I'll be back after this finished boiling. Okay, you guys, so we are back and our tea is ready. And look how wonderful that looks. Lemons, everything is in there nicely steamed, okay? So now we're going to pour this into our cup. Alright, so now you're going to take your strainer. Definitely have to strain this because we don't want all of that extra stuff in there. We just want the juices from it. Alrighty. And there you go, you guys. A powerful detox morning tea that you drink every morning, okay? You're going to lose up to 15 pounds in just 3 days. That's just going to be flushing your body out as far as water weight, as far as, you know, whatever is inside your intestines. It's going to get you going. Now, it's not going to have you running to and fro, but you are definitely going to be cleansing with this tea. So drink this tea every morning, and you're going to see complete results in your weight. You're going to see your body shrinking. You're going to feel your body shrinking, and this is awesome, all right? So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below, and turn that notification bell on, because YouTube has changed the settings of the notification bell. You have to now select all in order to be notified of all these wonderful detox, T-tox, smoothies, everything, okay, regarding this channel. So don't forget also to share these videos with your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to thumbs up this video, as well as if you want to be a blessing to this channel, I also have a PayPal as well as a Cash App donation down at the bottom that you can also contribute towards this channel if you wish to. It is not necessary, but it would be a blessing, because this way I can bring to you much better content. All right, so thank you again, and I will see you in the next video.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!